Are you ready to dramatically increase your sales? Welcome to DigioGram. We are here to show you the power of WhatsApp automation. Here's a powerful thought. आपके business के 95% customers WhatsApp use करते हैं. क्या आप उन तक पिया हंच रहे हो? If not, you are missing out on massive growth. Let's be honest about the challenges businesses face today in the digital landscape. You generate leads, but they fail to convert. You spend heavily on marketing, but the ROI is low. Why? Because the communication system is broken. Manual reply karna mushkil ho jata hai, leading to slow response times. Customer follow-up is zero, and potential buyers are dropping off. DigioGram brings you the ultimate solution. WhatsApp marketing automation. It's simple, clear, and focused on growth. With 24x7 automated replies, you can achieve instant customer engagement. Imagine a 98% open rate on your messages, far surpassing email. We enable personalized offers and effective marketing campaigns right where your customers are. This results in conversion rates 5 to 7 times better than traditional email marketing. To scale your WhatsApp marketing professionally, you need the WhatsApp API. This is the official tool built for business growth. The WhatsApp API is a Meta-approved system, giving you the verified green tick badge for maximum trust. Plus, you can add interactive buttons and calls to action. Send bulk promotional and transactional messages securely. We integrate with major CRM systems like Zoho, HubSpot, and Google Sheets, centralizing your data. This is where the magic happens, harnessing the power of AI and automation for a seamless customer journey. Our AI chatbots provide smart understanding to instantly qualify leads, automate booking processes, and even send secure auto payment links. Provide round-the-clock customer support and automated order updates, freeing up your team. Our multi-agent dashboard ensures no lead is missed. We believe in a professional, systematic approach to ensure your success. Here is our 7-step workflow. First, we analyze your requirements, followed by quick API onboarding. Then, we design a custom chatbot flow tailored to your business needs. We set up the full automation, thoroughly test the system, and then go live. Finally, we provide continuous optimization and 24/7 support to maximize your ROI. Why trust your business growth to DigioGram? We bring trust, experience, and guaranteed results. We have deep experience in WhatsApp automation, serving over 100 businesses globally. We offer fast, affordable deployment and dedicated 24x7 support. It's time to stop missing leads and start automating your sales process. Grow your business with smart WhatsApp automation. The future of sales is here. Visit our website, call, or WhatsApp us to start your journey towards 5x sales growth. Let's automate your business today.